Oh damn, what the hell is that? Ah yeah. Okay, alright. Today I will tell you how much I have spent on this car. This one here, yes. In the last year and a half, something like that. The prices I say will also include the cost of the job. The first service I did was a power steering fluid, interior air filter, then the rear bushing on that side, I believe, because the rear subframe was hitting the actual frame and the car was not going straight, then ABS sensor there, and then alignment. And that was all 340 euro. The power steering was going bad. I had to replace power steering pump, the reservoir, I mean where you put in the fluid, also changed some rollers, and all that was 290. Damn! Next, I had to replace everything for the rear brakes, also for the handbrake, except the cables. So new brake discs, new pads, and all the parts inside there for the handbrake. So that was 170. Then I had to replace the intake manifold gasket because it was leaking oil a little bit, and then also to pass technical inspection I had to fix one license plate light, was not working. There was problem with wires, and that altogether was 140 euro. So next up, rear brake lines, front shelves, or how you say them, also some bushings in the front, and the temperature sensor because the car was beeping all the time because the outside temperature was cold, you know. Well, it was showing plus degrees, then minus degrees, and every time it shows minus degrees it was like beep beep. Okay, alright, and that was 330. Then I had to replace all the spark plugs just in case. That was 85 euro. From one woods to another woods, G. Damn. Next up, had to check the vacuum system, make sure there is no leaks or anything like that, and then also check the fuel system because there was too much fuel going in to the engine. So that's sorted, and that cost 290. So the next thing, there was a pretty big hole inside there in the wheel well. When you drive on the gravel, the dust was going in the cabin like say no tomorrow, man. I couldn't breathe there, damn. That's sorted, and then while the car was up, also welded the diff. Yeah. And that was 100 euros. After some while, had to change the rear bearing on this side. That was 150. As some of you already know, I had issues with the cooling. Well, basically car was losing the coolant fluid, and once that was out, car was overheating. So new radiator, new tubes, some other things related to that, then spacers in the steering rack at that time as well, and then plus alignment. So that was 370. Then after some winter driving, I noticed that front brake guard broke off, I guess because the wheels were full of the snow. And also then check the rear brakes because this one was overheating, but technically everything was working fine there. Well, but then just in case, did the maintenance of the calipers, you know, all those little parts and stuff, to make sure it's all good. And that was 100 euro. Well, yes, that's basically it. You know, before doing anything, you need to make sure the car itself is running well, I mean the original parts are performing as they should, and then you can think about mods or something like that. And yes, that's about it. Overall, very nice car. Bye.